Come on, Chase. We're fast, we're hot. Perkins, how about you make a little noise for Cowboy? Look at the effort. And as you see the cat get up, we talk about the rules of the game. The Cowboy has got to have that calf stay tied down for 6 seconds. Unfortunately, the calf's going to get up before the time is set. We have no time.
Too bad.
Wear your blue and yellow gear to support South Dakota State University. Casey